Hello, I'm Brett with Liquid Dynamics Incorporated, and today I'm going to go over the internal and external value networks, as well as our list of Dream Directors and Dream Advisors. Now, for the internal value network, we're going to develop a product from stage 1 to stage 4, starting with the app for the phone, whether it be iOS or Android, and then move that on to an internet blog, an internet website, and then stage 4 being the actual medical devices to be able to read customers' life signs, whether it's glucose, heart rate, blood sugar, of course blood sugar with the glucose. And then internally we're also going to market the product, whether it's been from the internet, medical blogs, medical journals, as well as TV and other internet resources, to reach as many customers as we can. And then also we're going to recruit insurance companies and doctors to be able to gain a broader spectrum of support for our product, because the main key we're going to have is the support from insurance companies to lower the cost, to make things more efficient, as well as doctors to participate to help build our foundation. Now, our external value network aspects, we're going to need a company to host our web domain, lawyers to handle the FDA regulations since we are making medical devices, and then also Apple and Android and Google through Android for the hosting of the app, to sell them, to market them, to be able to make them available to the masses. And then our devices themselves are going to be produced by an outside company. We'll come up with a design. It's okay, this is what we need made, this is what we want, here's our plans for it, and I come out and make them. Now, for our Dream Directors and Advisors, our Dream CEO would end up being the Jack Dorsey, which is the creative founder of Twitter for the blog aspect, and then Mickey Ristoff, which is the chief officer of Mobile Mutual, which will help create the aesthetics to help develop the apps itself for both devices. And then we're going to use Jim Clark as the chief founder of WebMD to help even get a broader spectrum of communication between doctors and patients and even insurance companies to be able to provide the health services that are needed to our customers. For our advisors, we're going to use Amanda McLaughlin, who is the creative director of Mutual Mobile, who will also help develop and plan the app themselves to be able to make sure the app can do everything that we want it to do. And then we're going to use Professor Ariel Roth, who's the Chief Medical Director of SHL Telemedicine. And they're the ones that already produce the EKG machine that can attach to a phone, save the data, and do the process anywhere that they need to. We're going to take that product, implement it, and adapt it to our own. And then we're going to use John Morbrito, who is the Executive Vice President of Cigna Health Resources and Services, to help connect with other insurance companies, to help connect with other doctors, to be able to get them to jump on board for our product. And then we're also going to need a Chief Financial Advisor to help refine and help adapt our finances as we grow further on from stages 1 to 4 and as our company gets bigger. So overall today I went over our value network, both internal and external, as well as a couple quick summary of our Dream Directors and Dream Advisors. Once again, this is Brett with Liquid Dynamics Incorporated. Have a good evening.